Hi guys, welcome to Wing Ting's kitchen. Today we're going to make char siu cooked in a pan. Who doesn't love char siu? I made a chicken char siu video previously, so check that out. You can find the link up here or in the description box below. This is easy to make and pretty much foolproof. It doesn't need time to marinate, just needs time to cook. So let's get started. You will need 200 grams of pork belly, 200 milliliters of water, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, 2 cloves of garlic, 10 grams of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of 5 spice, and half a chili. First peel the ginger and cut into slices, then do the same to the garlic. On a medium heat, add in all the soy sauce, which is 3 tablespoons, all the sugar, which is also 3 tablespoons, and 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. Mix until the sugar is dissolved. Add the 1/4 teaspoon of 5 spice and the 200 milliliters of water. Then the garlic, the ginger, and the chili. Turn up the heat and give it a good mix. Once it starts to bubble, add in the pork. Let it simmer on one side for a couple of minutes, then flip it. Leave it on high heat to let some of the water evaporate. You will see the sauce start getting thicker, which may take about 10 minutes. And during this time, flip the meat occasionally. It's hard to tell, but the amount of liquid has reduced. Now put on a lid and leave it to simmer for 15 minutes on a low to medium heat. After 15 minutes, give them a flip. Put the lid back on and leave for another 15 minutes. Now open up the lid and using scissors cut the pork into bite-sized pieces. And then put the lid back on and simmer on a medium heat for the final 15 minutes. Mix it up a bit and then give it a try. The pork should be soft and juicy. And so the pan cooked char siu is ready to serve now. So here's my char siu cooked in a pan, served on rice, because what's better than char siu and rice? Char siu sauce and rice. This char siu recipe gives you a lot of char siu sauce, which is perfect for mixing with rice. And it's so tasty with lots of char siu flavours. This is easy to make and doesn't require you to marinate anything in advance. So just get the pan going on the hob and watch an episode of some series on Netflix and it'll be done before you know it. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. This will mean a lot to me and help me keep the channel going. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!